All right, this question here says when 2x raised to power 3 plus mx squared plus nx plus 11 is divided by x squared plus 5x plus 1, the quotient is 2x minus 5 and the remainder is 30x plus 16. That we should find the values of m and n. Now, before we start this, I would like us to look at this. For example, when we say 14 divided by 3, what will this give us? This will give us 4 remainder 2. This is what we have here. So 14 divided by 3 is equal to 4 remainder 2. Similarly, from this question, we can as well say 2x raised to power 3 plus mx square plus nx plus 11 all divided by x square plus 5x plus 1 will be equal to 2x minus 5 remainder 30x plus 16. So what we have here, 14 divided by 3 is equal to 4 remainder 2, is similar to what we have written here, which is this expression divided by this, which equals to 2x minus 5 remainder 30x plus 16. Now, in order to get this 14 from this part, in order to get this 14, what you are going to simply do is to say 3 multiplied by 4, which is 12. So it's going to be 3 multiplied by 4, and that will give us 12. Then 12 plus 2 is equal to 14, which is what we have here. So in this same manner, we're going to say for us to get this top here, that's the expression at the top here, we're going to say this one here, this denominator, multiplied by the answer that was obtained, which is the divisor, and then that which is the quotient, the quotient, then added to the remainder, just as we did here. So for us to get this, I repeat again, for us to get this, we're going to use this to multiply this, which is the quotient, and then add to this remainder, and that will give us this expression here. So now what we're going to do first, let's multiply this and add the remainder. So that will give us what I'm going to write next now, which is x squared plus 5x plus 1 multiplied by the quotient that was given to us, which is 2x minus 5. Then whatever we get, we add it to the remainder, which is 30x plus 16. So let's go now. So for us to expand this bracket, we use each term here to multiply each of the term in this other bracket. So x squared multiplied by 2x, that will give us 2x raised to power 3. X squared multiplied by negative 5 will give us negative 5x squared. Then positive 5x multiplied by 2x will give us positive 10x squared. Then positive 5x multiplied by negative 5 will give us negative 25x. Then 1 multiplied by 2x will give us positive 2x. Then 1 multiplied by negative 5 will give us negative 5 as well. So this has been expanded to give us this, and then we add this remainder. So plus 30x plus 16. So moving on now, let's simplify and see what it will give us. So I have 2x cubed, that is the only like term there, 2x cubed. Then I have negative 5x squared plus 10x squared. This will give me plus 5x squared. Then now I have negative 25x plus 2x plus 30x. These are the like terms in x. So negative 25x plus 2x, that will give us negative 23x. That is minus 23x. Minus 23x plus 30x. That will give us plus 7x. So I have plus 7x. Then coming to the constant terms, I have only negative 5 and positive 16. So negative 5 added to positive 16 will give us plus 11. Now, don't forget that this term here, this expression here, should be equal to what we have up here. Don't forget, we said earlier on that whatever we have up here, for us to get it, we're going to take this denominator, multiply by this quotient, and then we add the remainder. So now, since we have done that, this part should be equal to the top part that we have, the numerator, which is the original expression. And so let me write the original expression, which is 2x cubed plus mx squared plus nx plus 11. Now comparing this and this, because this is equal to this, so comparing it, you can see that the 2x squared is same thing as this 2x squared. You can see the last term, the constant term 11, is also equal to 11 here. So that means we are on track. So comparing now, we can see that this is 5x squared. It should also be equal to this mx squared. So that shows that 5 is equal to m, or m is equal to 5. So I can now get the value of m there and say m is equal to 5 when we compare the term in x squared. Similarly, when we compare the terms in x, this is 7x and this is nx. So this nx is also equal to this 7x. So comparing them now shows that 7 is equal to n, or n is equal to 7. So I can as well say n is equal to 7. So these are the two required values. So m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 7 is the final answer. So please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more important videos like this on mathematical principles and other interesting topics under mathematics. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.